All right, to access Google Classroom, the first step is to launch your Google Chrome web browser. So let me launch mine. As the browser opens, visit classroom.google.com. You can see the link here. After that, press enter for it to load. Once you are visiting for the first time, it will show your email address. If that is not the Gmail address you want to use, please click on switch account and select a different one. But here, that is what I want to use. I'll click on continue. And once you do that, you'll be landed on a page that looks like this. So you can start creating the assignment and start communicating with your students. All right. Another way you can do this is once your browser opens, your Google Chrome in this case, ensure that you're logged into Gmail. Okay. And the next step is to click on this square here and scroll down on this page. Then select Classroom and follow the next steps. If this content helps, consider subscribing. Hit the like button, the one that points up like this, and leave a comment. You can check what I have on the screen here. It's one of the products I sell on my online store. So you can click and get to the store and make a purchase. Check some other products I have there and buy. It's a way of supporting this channel. Thank you and see you some other time.